Si Primo, anak ni Manteba, inantok. Antok ka na. Huwag mo nang labanan yan. Sleep ka na. Okay? You're my honey bun, sugar pop, humpy humpy. You're my sweetie pie. You're my happy sugar chop. The apple of my eye, and I love you so, and I want you to vanish. Antok na si Laura. Hey, si Punyer. Macho, guapito daw ako. Mama, honey, my sugar pop. You're my sweetie pie. You're my chubby cat, sugar chop. The apple of my eye. Okay, sa ilong mo, sipon. Laki ng katawan niya ito, sipunin. Sipunin yan, bebe boy. Sleep na ikaw, huwag mo nang labanan yan. I'm afraid to fly, and I don't know why. I'm jealous of the people who are not afraid to die. It's just that I recall back when I was small, someone told me that they catch me, and then they let me fall. And